Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to unleash your inner drummer with the most advanced electronic drum set on the market? The Alesis Turbo Max Electric Drum Set. This revolutionary product is designed for aspiring drummers, offering a compact, Bluetooth-enabled, 7-piece quiet e-drum kit that's optimized for an unmatched learning and practice experience. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its exceptional features and benefits. The Turbo Max provides a peaceful practice experience with its foldable space-saving design, fitting perfectly in bedrooms, living rooms, or anywhere you want to play and practice. The kick and hi-hat pedals are designed to keep noise through the floor to a minimum, allowing you to play without disturbing others. With its Bluetooth-enabled feature, you can stream your favorite music or lesson content directly to the module from any Bluetooth-enabled device, jamming, practicing, or learning interactively without the need for cables. The Turbo Max also comes with 100 online lessons, including a 30-day premium trial from Alesis, an interactive learning platform that helps you build skills at your own pace. You can connect and record with ease, plugging into headphones for silent sessions, connecting to amps or mixers via stereo 1/4-inch line outs, or using USB MIDI to control VST software and record directly to a computer or mobile DAW. This product is better than others because of its all-in-one design, smart technology, and versatility, making it perfect for beginners and experienced drummers alike. Whether you're practicing at home, recording in a studio, or performing live, the Alesis Turbo Max Electric Drum Set is the perfect choice. With its exceptional features and benefits, it's no wonder that this product has become a popular choice among drummers, offering a superior drumming experience that's both fun and rewarding. If this helped, link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.